JDCap26 here. We just do the tips and repairs and hobbies, and we got a model we're going to do today. Actually, got this in the mail, and it's called the Forgotten Prisoner. Now, I was really like, I don't want to do this model because, as you see, it's an Aurora model. I was asking my wife, geez, I want to keep it for, put it up in the closet and keep it for you for an investment. It's not, like gold or silver or anything like that. I wish I could do that. But to me it is. And I'm going to open it up. It'll be all sealed. I can't believe I got an Aurora original. Let's open it up. It's glow in the dark. Doesn't look like too many parts. The whole thing is glow in the dark. And let's put this over here. The box art isn't that great. There's some of the instructions. Pretty neat. Here's the instructions. Looks pretty straightforward to me. You can see those. Gotta move it this way, like that, to show you the instructions. So let's open it up. Like I said, I don't know, I would not do an Aurora kit. They're just so hard to find. I do have a couple other Aurora kits I didn't open, and I probably will not. And here's all the parts. Looks pretty straightforward with me. Yeah, I know I said that. Sorry, guys. So, I don't think there's going to be too many hang-ups in making this one. Hopefully not. I'm going to make this kit, and if I find anything that was hard to do in the kit, I will surely point it out to you, so you know, in case you make this kit in the painted version form. It's got a lot of delicate parts here. I don't know, guys. This is going to be a hard one, probably, because it's all delicate parts to put together. So I'm going to cut for now, and we'll talk to you later, okay? Okay, I want to show you this. These notch in the legs on top of this piece right here, which is the torso. These notch in, and make sure you cut the top of the knee right here. And then you want to make sure you put this on first. You glue this down, and then you will put the top on like that, okay? So I just want to show you that while you're doing this. I'm holding these two pieces together. I put a little glue inside here, so this, attaches well to the back of his back. And hopefully that dries good. I'm going to put it down for a little bit, and then I'm going to put this piece on here. I'm taking the nippers and nipping off this piece on the shoulder, and that looks to be scrap. I'm going to put that piece on next. This clamshell front goes on. You got to be very delicate when putting it on. Okay, and make sure it's glued in. I'm going to put a little glue inside here a little bit where it touches, so it just becomes more firm. Now the skull, there's two sets of skulls. This is not the one that goes to the head. You want the one that looks like this. Okay, like that. So to put these two together, it has two pins that go together like that. Okay. I want to show you this right here. There's a notch here, a notch here, and a notch here. These are his arms. This is not, this is like for the Doriyama, this bone right here. So these two are for the arms. These three pieces go together. It's got one shackle in between, and this piece right here, and this hand, okay? Don't get this hand mixed up with the other hand, okay? This hand goes with this bone, it goes to the wall, okay? Like that. And the hands and arms are very difficult, so take your time with that, okay? This arm right here, very difficult to put in. You might want to put the I believe it's the, let's see, this is right, the left arm. When you put this on, make sure you put the left arm on, then put the cover of this on the front chest, okay? Right there, see it? Put the left arm on the front chest and then put the front chest on. Okay, we put glue around this part right here for the base. This is the base, this is the wall. So we're going to put that on there like that and just let it sit there. On the skeleton, on the Forgotten Prisoner, on his left arm, I had to put some green stuff, okay, to get that arm in. See, you have to put the left arm onto this front part first and glue it before you put the two together. And I put some green stuff, on his head. So he's a very delicate figure. You have to go around afterwards once he's all together and dry and put some glue points on it to strengthen it up, and he'll be good to go. So he goes like that. So get the camera there for you. It goes like that, and of course, it's got more to go to finish this model. So thank you for watching, and please rate and subscribe. See my other people in the channel list for other people to watch if you want to. Please give me the thumbs up. This helps me pay for some of my medications that I'm on. No, I'm not totally perfect. Who is? But please help out in that way and give me the thumbs up, and please tell other people to subscribe. And thank you, and have a wonderful day, and stay safe. We'll see you next time.